Welcome to MarineMax. My name is Larry, and today we're going to go over this 2024 Grady-White 271 Canyon. This boat is powered by twin 300 Yamaha engines. This is one of Grady's fastest boats on the water, hitting speeds of up to 60 miles an hour. It's got a great layout for Northeast Florida with a live well in the transom and another huge live well in the leaning post. Great for the live bait fishing that we do. You can hold lots of pogies or separate your blue runners from your goggle eyes and all that good stuff. You've got a nice fish box back here that drains overboard. So all the boxes and everything on a Grady-White drains overboard, and there's no pumps needed to pump out your fish boxes. Keeps the boat nice and clean. One unique feature that all Grady models have is the engine flush is located inside the boat. You get a quick connector that goes onto the end of a garden hose that you just click in to flush each engine. So if you're keeping your boat in a lift or if you're keeping it in the water, you don't have to go out onto the transom. Even if you're in a trailer situation, it's much easier to flush it from in here rather than having to work on the back of the boat. Another great feature about the Grady is this large helm area. You got plenty of space up here for two 16-inch screens. I'm a pretty big guy and can fit back here comfortably. This boat has the full maneuverability package, which is the joystick control system, which also incorporates a full autopilot as well. Really neat feature on this boat. Above us here is a rear shade that will extend out and cover the transom for those hot sunny days. You can run with the shade open, or if you're just sitting at the sandbar. Let's take a look here at this large head compartment with tons of space. This has a dockside pump out as well as overboard discharge. 10-gallon holding tank on it. Now this boat is equipped with a freshwater washdown. We've got one in the leaning post, one in the transom, and another neat feature that the Grady has is this windshield wiper that uses the freshwater system to rinse the windshield. When you're coming back in on a long day from fishing and you're heading west into that sun, that salt creates all that glare on the windshield, washes right off, and it makes it a lot easier to see. Up here at the bow, we've got some great seating, thick cushions, premium cushions, and backrests that fold away like that one over there. But you notice they're nice and ergonomically correct. You're not sitting straight up, and you've got some good support. Up at the very bow, we've got a windlass, which is a through hull. It can be operated at the bow, and you've also got switches at the helm as well. The ride on a Grady-White is legendary, and that's due to the SeaV² hull, which is a continually variable degree dead rise, starting with a very sharp entry at the front. Comes back to about 30 degrees at the helm, which is still much more aggressive than most center consoles on the market. And then it flattens out to about 20 degrees at the transom. So you've got great wave splitting ability, very soft ride at the helm, and then that stability from port to starboard with that 20 degrees makes for an incredible ride. If you got any questions about this boat or would like to schedule a sea trial, please give me a call at 904-545-5310. Thanks again for visiting MarineMax.